Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram account type. Simple and easy. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Now I want you to focus on the lower right corner and click on the profile picture that you see. Then I want you to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Now I want you to click on settings and privacy. And this is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down, okay? And I want you to focus on the section that is called for professionals. Now click on business tools and controls. I want you to scroll down. And you see an option that is called switch account type. When you click over here, you have an option to switch from your current account, which in my case is business account, to personal or creator. If you currently have a personal account, these two options will look like switch to creator account and switch to business account. If your account currently is creator, these two options will be switch to business account or switch to personal account. Very important, if you have a business account, you will not be able to make your account private. You will not be able to hide your followers or following list. If you want to hide your followers or following list, you have to switch from business account to either creator or personal account, and then you can make your account private. I do have a video how to make your account private either on Facebook or Instagram, so go ahead and check my library of videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.